Basic home remedies for curing muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are a common problem that many people experience from time to time. When one or more than one of your muscles feels like it's contracting or getting tight without any voluntary action from you, and you can't get them to relax, that's a muscle cramp. Muscle cramps happen for a few different reasons, but most commonly when muscles can't relax properly. Apart from the pain, you can tell that a muscle is cramping when it feels hard or it looks like it's bulging. There are several parts of your body where you're most likely to get muscle cramps, such as arms, feet, abdomen, and calves. There are many easy ways to treat muscle cramps even just from your homes, including several steps you can take earlier to prevent them from happening in the first place. Most types of muscle cramps don't require medical attention and go away in a few seconds or minutes. However, these muscle cramp remedies can help you feel better and get back to your normal routine. Number 1. Stretching. When you suddenly feel a muscle cramp, you should immediately stop doing the activity that's causing it and stretch it out by contracting the opposing muscle. For example, if your hamstring muscle on the back of the thigh cramps, tighten your quads muscles on the front of your thigh, and lift your leg toward your head. This can be difficult to do since cramps are very painful, but this works to break the muscle contraction, hence stopping the cramp. The cramp may still come back a few seconds later, but this is one of the most effective way to stop a cramp. Number 2. Cold therapy. Use an ice pack, a frozen towel, or even a bag of frozen vegetables. Keep the ice on up to 20 minutes at a time, using a towel to avoid direct contact between the ice pack and your skin. Let the area get numb, wait an hour, and then you can reapply the cold pack, if necessary. Ice application to an acute injury is very safe. To avoid risks, don't apply it for more than 20 minutes at a time and avoid using extremely cold items. Don't let yourself get a frostbite due to very long usage on your fingers, toes, ears, nose. Also avoid nerve injury, particularly the ulnar nerve on the inside of your elbow and the peroneal nerve on the outside of your knee. Number 3. Hot therapy. Heat helps soothe muscle cramps and even other pain that involves the muscle. It works best for injuries that are at least few days old. Heat opens blood vessels, which can assist the healing process and alleviate some of your pain. The heating pad on the area may also be effective for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, but follow this with an ice pack. This is because while heat feels good for pain, it may worsen inflammation. Ice will calm down the inflammation. You can also do activities such as warm bath, hot shower, or hot tub. All of this will help relax your muscles. Number 4. Drink water. With or without muscle cramps, staying hydrated is a very important daily routine. One way to get relief from muscle cramps before they even begin is to make sure you are drinking enough water. Dehydration often plays a part in muscle cramps, so drinking enough water throughout the day can help keep them at bay. Drinking fluids while you have a cramp helps the muscles contract and relax. When you keep hydrated, your muscle cells also stay hydrated and are less irritable or uncomfortable. Number 5. Banana. Eating banana is a very good source of potassium. Not just potassium but also gives you magnesium and calcium. That's 3 out of 4 nutrients doctors recommend to ease muscle cramps. This is why bananas are eaten for quick cramp relief, especially on sport events. Many muscle cramps are related to electrolyte imbalance. Foods that are high in electrolytes, like potassium, can be helpful in stopping them before they even start. Though bananas are the most popular high potassium food, other food choices such as avocados, potatoes, and leafy greens are also packed with potassium. Number 6. Massage. You can help reduce the duration and severity of cramp by gently stretching the muscle and massaging the area. Be careful not to give extra pressure as the cramped muscle can be very sensitive. The massage is very simple. Just gently rub the muscle that's on spasm and just feel the direction where it's most relieving. For a persisting back spasm, try pinching the area around it hard and holding the pinch for a few minutes. You may need someone else to do the pinching if you can't reach the area. Number 7. Supplements. Considering a well-balanced diet, in some cases, people still fall short on nutrients that may increase the risk of cramping. In these cases, supplements might be recommended. Most people aren't getting enough calcium or magnesium, which causes their muscle cramps. A combined calcium-magnesium supplement is ideal. Vitamins and minerals improve your cellular function, blood flow, and nerve and muscle function. These mechanisms are fundamental in preventing and treating muscle cramps and spasms. There's some studies that suggest that B-complex vitamin is also a very effective supplement that could help to reduce muscle cramps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on our next video.